Hey Protech geniuses, want to identify the plant, translate that sign in real time or instantly shop for something you see? If you thought Google Lens was only for Android, think again. I'm going to show you two simple official ways to use the full power of Google Lens on your iPhone. Google Lens is basically a smart camera that uses AI to understand what it sees. It's an indispensable tool. But the bad part, it's not available in our App Store. If you search for Google Lens over here, you won't be able to find it. But don't worry, there is a best part. It works perfectly on your iPhone. We'll start with the simplest method, the dedicated Google app. Step 1. Download the Google app. The Google app is this app which you see here. If you don't have the standard Google app with the colorful G icon, pause and grab it from the App Store. Step 1. Open app and you'll see the main search bar right at the top. Can you see this icon over here? This is the icon. So if you just click on it, Google Lens will open for you, and with this you can use the Google Lens in your iPhone. You may need to grant camera access for the first time. Now you're live. You can point your camera at an object and you can use all the features of Google Lens. Now what if the picture is already in your gallery? You don't have to worry. You can just click on this icon over here and your photos would be automatically loaded. See? This method one is great for quick camera scans, but what if you're browsing the web on Chrome and see an image you need to search? That's where method 2 comes in, and it's even faster for web research. Step 1. Open your Chrome app. If you do not have it, just go search for Chrome in your App Store and install this. Once you installed Google Chrome, just open Google Chrome. Here you find the same icon over here. You just click on this, Google Lens will open and you'll be able to scan photos and use all the features of Google Lens for free. So there you have it. Two powerful free ways to use Google Lens on your iPhone right now. Stop typing and start seeing. If this video helped you master visual search, smash that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius and let me know in the comments which method is your favorite.